Edge AI is transforming the role of automation engineers by bringing high-speed, intelligent, and localized decision-making to the operational technology (OT) environment. Get actionable insights and predictions for 2026 from industry experts OnLogic's James Floyd and Intel's Matthew Formica.
I would say, at least when I look at the business, it's not yet half of the workload. There's still a lot of pure edge workload that happens, and yet Edge AI is coming on strong in that. And so it's kind of already here and not yet here. And so it's an interesting moment in time for the edge.
We discuss where to invest your resources today to see real results tomorrow.
In this lab environment, this is exactly what I want to take to production and deploy in mass. And the reality is, there's so many different considerations there. You can get away with a cheap, $200 computer in a lab, but will that account for your environmental considerations?